What's going on, guys? I've got a 2012 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to use it to show you everything you need to know about the headlights, high beams and low beams on it. So first I'm going to show you how to get these bulbs changed. And I'm going to show you on the passenger side because it's not obstructed by the battery. So I'll start with the low beam. That's going to be the one towards the outside of the vehicle. You just disconnect it by pushing on this tab here and pulling the connector away. And you get the bulb out by rotating it counterclockwise and just pulling straight out. Make sure that you get the little orange washer that comes with it. It's an H11 bulb. Once you get the new bulb, you just push it in and turn it. And before you hook it back up, take a peek inside of the connector to see for signs of corrosion. You'll see like a whitish or green powder sometimes it's blue, and you'll see it on the pins. This one looks to be pretty good. And you can apply dielectric grease there to try to keep moisture out to prevent it from happening. So that's the low beam, it's an H11. High beam, real similar. It's right in here. Same way of disconnecting it. You just push on the tab and kind of work it. Sometimes what you'll have to do is go ahead and remove it and then use two hands. Push on this tab here. The other hand, grab the bulb. This one is going to be a 9005. Pretty much goes in the same way. So that covers it for removing the bulbs, high and low beam. Same way on this side, although you may have to move this battery out of the way to get to it. You can get to this one pretty easily. It's right there. And I don't know why it's crooked like that. It was like that when I started messing with it. Anyways, let's go over some of the important fuses and relays. So opening the fuse box here. That's going to reveal the headlamp relay. That's this one right here. To remove it, you grab it and just go sideways with it. It's going to be on there pretty good, but eventually it will come out. Bang! It's on there good. So I've got this relay pulled out. When I put it back in, you'll see the headlights come on. And if you suspect that this relay is bad, like if you don't hear the relay clicking when you're turning the headlights on and off, you can try swapping it with the relay right next to it. That's the fan relay. Now there is a fuse puller right here. And there are two fuses for the low beams. So there's going to be this 15 amp fuse right here. That's actually for the low beam on the driver's side. So you can see my low beam's off. I push the fuse in, comes back on. And this other 15 amp fuse right here, that is going to be for the low beam on the passenger side. So check those out. As far as the high beam goes, I can't find a fuse for those. I believe they're controlled by what's called the integration relay. So it's basically directly computer controlled itself. So yeah, that about covers it. I hope this helps you figure out the headlights on your 2012 Camry. Let me know if you have any questions or any advice about troubleshooting this.